We had a 50-50 shot of getting the right part or the wrong part. So now, let's see which part we got. And here we go. Slow, very easy. Woo, baby, right part.
Yeah?
Got it.
Do we need to compare that?
You don't have to, I can tell it's the right one.
Let's put that on. Are you gonna put it on?
I'm not putting it on, I'm gonna leave it up to you.
Oh man.
You're the mechanic, I'm just a supervisor.
All right, here we go. All right guys, now that we have the right part, it should be as easy as clipping it into this bracket and hooking it into the governor, and then fishing it underneath this starter and running it through this bracket right here and hooking it up to the carburetor linkage, which is right there. And after that, we should be able to take this thing out and give it a test run, see if it's gonna run for us, and then we'll put the body back on. Here we go.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. I send the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back.
All right guys, the governor linkage is on, the throttle linkage is hooked up. We're gonna hand this camera over to Pop-Up Gringo because I have to operate the lever, operate the choke, turn the key, push the gas. There's a few things that I need to do. So I'm gonna hand the camera to him and he is gonna videotape this. We're just gonna start it up, see how much acceleration we're getting out of that governor. I may have to do a little linkage adjustment on the throttle to get us a little more throttle response. So here we go. What do you think, Dad?
You see the clutch. Give me watch your clutch.
You ready?
It's black. Why were we black?
The screen went off.
Okay.
You ready? Does it look like there's any oil shooting out anywhere?
Don't see any.
Hey, just tap the screen. Is it back on? Now get a close up of that clutch as it comes in. You ready? All right, guys. I think we got a running golf cart. Let's start putting her back together. Here we go.
Form of art, I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
Well, guys, by the snotty nose, you should be able to tell that was a pretty good first ride. It was awful dark out there, and we had a little trouble getting started out front here. We have about 10 to 12 inches of snow out there. I did clear the driveway with the skid steer, but yeah, it's still icy out there. So we had to back into the garage and then take a run out to the road. Once we got out to the road, we were okay. It's a little icy out there, but there's no standing snow anymore. It's been plowed. So yeah, no thanks to the golf cart place. It took a little longer than what it was supposed to, but like Dad's about to tell you.
Hey, Joe, that there part will work.
We have a 50-50 shot of the right part or the wrong part.
And guess what?
Okay, you ready? Go.
We had a 50-50 shot on getting the right part and the wrong part.
No, or the wrong part.
So,
hold on. We have a 50-50 shot of getting the right part or the wrong part. Okay, go.
we had a 50-50 shot of getting the right part or the wrong part. And guess which one they sent? This one. And then they tried to tell Rick that this would replace that.